Remove those ugly dark patches on the neck, underarms and inner thighs in 15 minutes. Acanthosis nigricans is a skin condition when the skin becomes darker and thicker. Moreover, the affected areas often feel velvety. This skin condition is an aesthetic issue, and it isn't congenital. However, it can be a warning sign of a health problem that requires medical attention. Hence, if you notice that some area of your skin becomes darker and thicker, you should visit a dermatologist. Scrubbing the skin will not eliminate this skin issue. Moreover, you shouldn't waste money on expensive treatments and products. Instead, you should opt for natural alternatives. There are plenty of natural remedies for the dark skin patches. The natural remedies will reduce the appearance of the unsightly dark patches. Therefore, we decided to present you the most powerful remedy for this issue. Natural remedy for dark patches. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt. Instructions: take a plastic bowl and mix all the ingredients. Then, apply the mixture to the affected area and leave it for about 20 minutes. Finish by rinsing it off with cold water. Moreover, you can also use milk, white clay, and lemon for the dark skin patches. All you should do is add lemon and milk in a bowl with white clay and mix well. Then, apply the mixture to the skin area and let it stay for about 15 minutes. Finally, rinse it off with cold water. Do these procedures 3 times per week until the dark patches disappear. Important tips: there are various steps you should undertake to prevent the appearance of the dark skin patches, such as using sunscreen with appropriate UV protection, increasing the intake of foods rich in vitamin E, drinking plenty of water,